Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the best options for lead magnet building tools in 2024 to help you generate leads from your website. That's really important. I've got a ton of experience in this area. I'm going to be dumping it all on you. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back, folks. So we're going to be talking about lead magnets and the best lead magnet building tools out there. Now, there's two buckets here in my mind. There's the SaaS players, software as a service, and then you can utilize WordPress and some of the leading plugins. WordPress runs between 43 to 45% of all websites on the internet. It's seen as the kind of operating system of the web, or you can go the SaaS route. It's totally up to you. I'm going to be looking at some of the best in both categories in this video. So let's start with one of the big gorillas in the SaaS world, and that's ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels has been around quite a while. It kind of really developed this whole area. It's a great product. I wouldn't recommend it. They had to upgrade it from 1.0 to 2.0, and they had a lot of technical difficulties. They were struggling even 6, 7 months ago when it was the last time I was helping a client with it. Also, I just think there's better options out there. Basically, I'm not throwing it entirely under the bus because the situation with their technical problems, they've probably cleared that up and it does the job. I just think there's better value in the SaaS world plus in the WordPress world. It starts around $97 per month. That's their starter plan price if you pay monthly. Okay, but like I say, the next one is Instapages. That's around, actually a little bit more expensive for the starter plan. It's $99. I see it as the kind of Rolls Royce. If you're trying to build lead magnets with landing pages, with marketing, email automation, it comes with a lot. And their landing page builder is really quite impressive. The next plan up is actually, compared to the next one I'm talking about, is really good value. They swap. So Instapages, I think if you're going down the SaaS route, it's one of the top competitors. The next one is Lead Pages. Now, that's been around quite a while. I think it really was the kind of one of the first platforms, SaaS platforms, that offered this kind of functionality. Now, their starter plan is around $49. So it's half the price of Instapages, but in my opinion, it isn't as good as Instapages, but it does the job. It's not to the level where you couldn't consider it. When you look at the next plan, though, it goes up to $199, where the Instapages, it doesn't go up to any kind of level. I think it goes up to $150. So you can see there's a big jump there. I think with either of those compared to ClickFunnels, you're going to be a happy bunny, basically. If it was me, I'd go the Instapages route. I want to point out, folks, there's no linkage to me. There's no affiliate links in the show notes, in the video show notes that you find. Also written a great article that goes into all the choices a lot more. You find that link in the video description, but there's no affiliate links involved in this video at all, folks. I'm not getting paid to say any of this, right? So on to the next choice, which is WordPress. Now, with WordPress, there are similar platforms to Instapages. One of them is Fry Themes. That comes with a landing page builder, with marketing automation, with attaching the lead magnet. It's a great platform. I don't think it's the best value in the WordPress space. It's around $600 a year, which is a considerable saving than the middle plans, which you're going to be recommended by Instapages or Lead Pages. It's a good system. I don't actually like the landing page builder. I've always found it very clunky, but other people disagree with me, and some of this is personal taste. Now, I think a much better choice is to combine two plugins together, and that's a plugin called Fluent CRM, which enables you to do marketing automation that's very similar to Active Campaign. In some ways, I think it's more powerful than Active Campaign, and combine that with a modern WordPress landing page builder plugin. The best, I think, for somebody like you is going to be Cadence WP. They offer a really great free version, or you can pay for the paid version, which gives you an enormous library of landing pages that are drag and drop, and it's really top notch. And combining those two together, they provide a free version of Cadence, and the next version is around $130 a year. And the Fluent CRM, you won't believe this, folks, it's about $130. So for $260, you get a really fantastic landing page builder, and you get a marketing automation system that in some ways is better than Active Campaign, which is seen as one of the best marketing automation platforms out there. And combining those two together, I think you outvalue, have more power at a much more competitive price than Instapages or Lead Pages, in my opinion. But you've got to make the choice, folks. Hopefully you found this useful. I didn't want the video to go on too long. I've actually, in the article, which you find the link in the video description, I've gone in even more detail with even more options. I've just highlighting some of the leaders here. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. It really helps me and encourages me to make more of these videos. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.